Ladies, gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. What we are trying to achieve is to do a daily technical analysis, uh, taking one coin to discuss about, covering patterns, trends, support and resistance, offering you some insights, some important points about the specific cryptocurrency. So you are informed and decide either to invest or not, or to take profit if the case. However, we are using artificial intelligence to do all these things. Sometimes I also add personal opinions, but I'm trying not to do this because I want to offer you only what the AI believes will happen. So let's see the cryptocurrency render. Firstly, let's make a short description of this cryptocurrency. So, render. Imagine a giant online marketplace for renting computing power. That's what render it's all about. It's a cryptocurrency that wields a network of powerful computers that can be leased for various tasks. Think of it like renting a super powerful computer instead of buying one. You only pay for what you use, definitely. This computing power is helpful for things like creating a realistic 3D animation and videos, running complex simulations, and even training artificial intelligence. We can think of it like what NVIDIA do with that option that they have, where you can rent, where you pay the subscription for playing on their servers. People who need this computing power can use render tokens, the cryptocurrency of the network, to pay for it. People who contribute their computers to the network by lending out their unused processing power are rewarded with a render token. However, in a nutshell, render is a system that facilitates sharing computing power, making it more accessible and affordable for everyone. What I understand from that is that if I share my laptop or computer power to others to use, I get render token and they pay a render token to use mine. So probably what they pay I get, and there are some fees that are kept by the render team. So let's see the graphic. All right, we have a 4-hour time frame just to help the AI better rate, because as long as the AI we see on the right, the price can make a better analysis. I think that's good here, good here. I'm trying to see what important points we have here. Yeah, that's also can act as resistance. Yeah, I hope it's enough. Let's download the picture, download the image. Now let's jump into the website. So we go here, analyze now, technical analysis. We go with the first tab. We have here a few recommendations how to use the tool. We click to upload a picture. We upload the picture, and now we wait, and let's just click on it. The website also offers other option, an option that could score your investment. So you select the cryptocurrencies you have and the amount you allocate to that, and you will have some insights, some scoring, some suggestions. There is also an option where you can find out if it's a good time to take profit. For instance, you mentioned that you purchased Bitcoin at $50,000, and once you provide the chart, the website will let you know if it's a good time to take some profit or not. I encourage you to use that option. In the meantime, let's see what we have. All right, so chart indicates a volatile in its price action. Earlier, there was a sharp race followed by periods of high volatility and a gradual downtrend. Recently, there has been a minor recovery, but this follows a significant downtrend from previous high. The presence of lower highs suggests that the market is in a short-term downtrend. So what it says is that we have a high, lower high, even this one here, lower high, lower high. I would comment about this. This one is not lower, which which could be a sign, or not a sign, but there are possibilities to have a retracement from this zone, since the market didn't successfully manage to create a lower high. So we should have something around this zone, probably around this area. Key support level are identifiable at approximately 6264, 5891, where the price has bounced back several times, indicating strong buyer interests. The resistance level are distinct at around 9440 and $10.535, where the price has seen rejections in past, denoting areas of seller concentration. Let's see that on the chart. All right, so it said 6264, which is this part here, and 5891 is this part here. Okay, so this as a zone will act as support zone, which indeed seems to be a very strong area because the price reached this point firstly, but afterwards, after it got a high, we don't see the next lower low. See here, we have a higher low. Even this one is lower, so something happened. The resistance level are distinct. 9440. Okay, this part, and 10535. Okay, those. So this is what the AI noticed. Well, indeed, 9440 seems to have a high number of orders, if you want, block, probably known as order block, since we have numbers time the price tried to break above, but it didn't. Now this could be very easy considered a consolidation, since the price will do this probably until this point again, and who knows, we will see what happened. The exponential moving average showed that 7-period moving average has recently crossed below the 77-period moving average, which is typically a bearish signal. However, the price is currently above the 7-period moving average, suggesting that there might be a shift in short-term momentum. So the AI referring to this part, this line crossing the other line. But there was a mistake, because the moving average is not 7 or 77. But even though what the AI noticed, it's still correct. As well as what was already mentioned, that we are starting to trade above the moving average, which could indicate a changing trend. All right, it also says that the relative straight index, the RSI, is hovering around 50 level. Yeah. So we have here above 50, which is a neutral zone. This indicates that the market is currently not in an overbought or oversold condition. Yeah, that's correct. Trading volume appears relatively consistent with few spikes, which typically correspond to price movement. Okay. The lack of increasing volume in downtrend suggests that there might not be a strong conviction in the selling pressure. Yeah, indeed. We would expect, when we have a selling pressure, we expect on these zones here to have high volume. And we can see that there was no volume, not no volume, but low volume. Ignoring this part, because here we had volume. I'm not ignoring, but for the purpose of the moment we are in right now, this is past, so we had volume there, but what would you do with that if it was 3 days ago? There are no clear price patterns indicating a reversal at the moment, but a pattern of lower highs is evident, which confirm the current downtrend. Nice. Okay, so yeah, so that's indeed correct because we have lower highs. Expecting this part here. The overall market sentiment seems cautious, with the RSI indicating a neutral stance and the price trading below major resistance level. The recent crossover moving average adds to the bearish sentiment, but the short-term move about exponential moving average suggests that there is a potential for a change in momentum. Okay, support resistance is this one and this one, or even that one. Okay, the general direction is slightly bearish to neutral. All right, gentlemen and ladies, so we have here the summary you can find if you need this technical analysis to take a look. Click on it and it's right here. Everything I just read is right here. You have the summary currently in a short-term downtrend with lower highs, neutral to bearish. This is what we just analyzed. So until the next time, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a wonderful rest of the day.